Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Flat Bridge. And I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think Flat Bridge should be replaced? Now Flat Bridge is the oldest bridge in Jamaica, and this is the bridge we're driving over now. The oldest bridge in Jamaica and possibly the oldest bridge in the English-speaking Caribbean. Over 300 years old. And it goes across the Rio Cobre. And when traveling from Kingston to Ocho Rios, and this is the route you would take unless you go over Sligoville, which is a long, tedious drive, or you go on the highway, which is very expensive. It's a toll road. So this is the most popular route you will find that people use to go from Kingston to Ocho Rios. And Ocho Rios is a major tourist town in Jamaica. It's on the north coast. So we are going to go through an article, and guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, as you saw at the beginning of the video, Flat Bridge is a single lane bridge. Flat Bridge, one of Jamaica's oldest and most iconic structures, stands as both a symbol of heritage and a source of ongoing debate. Located along the Bogwalk Gorge in St. Catherine, it has served the country for more than 300 years, connecting the rural interior of the island to the bustling centers of Spanish Town, Linstead, and the North Coast. Despite its beauty and historical value, the question persists. Should Flat Bridge be replaced by a modern structure or preserved as a monument of Jamaican history? The argument for replacing Flat Bridge rests primarily on safety and efficiency. The bridge, built in the 18th century by enslaved Africans using cut stone and iron, was never designed for the volume and weight of modern vehicles. Its narrow one-lane configuration without railings makes it one of the most dangerous roadways in the island. Over the decades, numerous accidents have occurred, especially during heavy rains when the Rio Cobre swells and floods the gorge. For motorists traveling between Bogwalk, Linstead, and Ocho Rios, every journey across Flat Bridge carries an element of risk. From an engineering standpoint, replacing the bridge with a wider reinforced concrete structure would dramatically improve safety, ensure resilience against flooding, and better accommodate Jamaica's growing transportation demands. However, those in favor of preserving Flat Bridge argue that it is not merely a structure, it is a piece of living history. Few landmarks in Jamaica capture the spirit of endurance and craftsmanship that Flat Bridge represents. Built without modern machinery, its survival over centuries is a testament to the skill and labor of those who constructed it. Replacing it outright could mean erasing an irreplaceable part of Jamaica's architectural and cultural heritage. Many propose that instead of demolition, the government should construct an alternative bypass bridge nearby for modern traffic, allowing Flat Bridge to remain as a historical site for pedestrian use, tourism, and education. In the end, the most practical and respectful solution may not be to replace Flat Bridge, but to build a new parallel bridge to carry heavy vehicular traffic, leaving the original structure as a monument. This would protect lives and improve road safety while ensuring that future generations can still experience one of Jamaica's most historic landmarks. Flat Bridge has stood the test of time, weathering floods, hurricanes, and centuries of change. Whether or not it is replaced, its legacy should remain firmly in Jamaica's landscape. A reminder of resilience, craftsmanship, and the enduring bridge between the nation's past and its future. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.